Ceragem's first automatic thermal massager, which debuted in 1998, was based on Eastern and Western medicine. This innovative product reformed the market and helped Ceragem grow into a global total healthcare company. Ceragem, a leader in alternative medicine and advanced technologies, achieved another milestone in 2012, the harmony between integrative medicine and precision control technology. Ceragem is now the brand name of a global healthcare expert. Ceragem has been the leading contributor to healthy lifestyles in 70 countries across the world and has been committed to be the best partner for a healthier life. The healthcare partner for all mankind, Ceragem is the core driving force for this ambitious goal. Our Alternative Medicine Research Institute studies and develops the way the human body can prevent and cure diseases by itself. The Institute is the home to our Ceragem Master V3, which uses moxibustion, finger pressure, thermal therapy, and chiropractic medicine in order to relieve fatigue and improve blood circulation. The internal projector moves up and down, scanning from your head to your lower back in order to measure the length and curve of your spine. The scanning program calculates the optimal massage points for each patient and decides the intensity of the massage and the locations for moxibustion. The scanning also helps the internal projector to move vertically and horizontally based on the information on the spinal scan. This innovative function can guarantee a more comfortable and efficient massage. In addition to the customized up and down movement, the internal projector provides 6 levels of intensity control so that you can choose the most suitable intensity for you. 12 programs are available due to the fusion of Eastern and Western alternative medicines. Enjoy your optimal massage by choosing the program best suited to your body shape and condition. Moxibustion and finger pressure for better blood and key circulation. Massage and chiropractic tactics to relax your muscles and relieve pain. And thermotherapy to improve blood circulation. These programs were designed to provide the most advanced massage program to promote your healthier life. Through the innovation of Ceragem's healing therapy, you are able to relax and meditate during the massage through the sounds of nature, meditation music, and classical music that can be played while you rest. The modern frame and character lines, along with the sliding function of the Master V3, allows for the user to experience comfort at a different level, as a thermal massage bed or a sofa. The convenient grips on the external projector allow the user to easily provide additional thermal massage to different parts of the body. The smart remote controller has a wide screen and apparent icons so that anyone can use it effortlessly. Smart design innovation. Personalized massage program based on spine scanning. Ceragem sound works wonders for your relaxation. The Master V3 is the essence of Ceragem technology. It is the ideal medicine for both your body and your soul.